So hello everyone. Today's my topic is 2023 top health insurance companies in USA. So without time wasting, let's start. 2023 top health insurance company in USA. The US has more than 900 health insurance companies that provide medical coverage, but the industry is dominated by five companies that who won 44% of the market. Here are the top 5 largest health insurance companies by the membership. First, United Healthcare 70 million members. Second, Anthem 39.9 million members. Third, Aetna 22.1 million members. Fourth, Cigna 20.4 million members. 5. Humana 16.6 million members. United Healthcare, part of United Health Group, is the largest health insurance company that provide a broad variety of health benefits, making it possible for people get coverage at an affordable price, streamlining that the medical process and providing access to high quality treatment. United Healthcare employs and individual service 26.7 million Americans. United Healthcare and Medicare Retirement is the dedicated to service the health and well-being of 13.2 million older adults and other individuals eligible for Medicare. United Health Group employs approximately 168,000 individuals in 21 countries, including Australia, Canada, China, India, the Philippines, Ireland, Italy, and the United Kingdom. United Healthcare covers approximately 45 million individuals worldwide. United Health Group services more than 6,100. Second, Anthem. Anthem is the second largest managed healthcare company with the Blue Cross Blue Shield of 36 different companies. Third, Aetna. Aetna was 2018 and currently offers affordable insurance plans for a range of coverage options such as Medicare Advantage, Medicare Part D, individual health insurance, dental plans, and Medicare. Aetna health insurance products include Medicare, pharmacies, dental, and the behavioral health. They also offer service for health care management, works companies, admission, and the health information technology. Fourth, Cigna, the United States' fourth largest Medicare insurance provider in the Cigna, a global provider of the health service and insurance with headquarters Bloomfield. Cigna provided dental, behavioral health, vision, supplementary health, and Medicare service in addition to manage compromise health insurance policy and programs. Fifth, Humana. Healthcare provider Humana variety of insurance products as well as the health and wellness services that take and the interested approach to promoting lifelong healthy. The company was founded by the following business assignments make up how was the company conducted to approximate employees group, the relative and health and the wellness service, the Medicare and the completely enrollment in health insurance policy can be done in the range of policies. First, Medicare and the relevant plans. Medicare service individual health insurance are you enroll with to card on the fourth smoothing to it. So let's why can you choose QA of credential service? So you can reading the all important sentence. I hope today's my video is helpful. So please subscribe my channel and like this video.